ambizzjuża u determinata. Hekk nistgħu niddeskrivu l-Baronessa Patricia Scotland li l-ġimgħa inħatret bħala l-ewwel Segretarju Ġenerali Femminili tal-Commonwealth. Fl-ewwel kummenti tagħha wara l-vot unanimu mit-53 pajjiż membru ma' One News, Scotland esprimiet il-viżjoni tagħha għall-Commonwealth, viżjoni msawra fuq l-għaqda fid-diversità.
I want us to work together so that all our citizens have a real opportunity to achieve their dreams. I believe if we choose, there is nothing the constellation of the 53 countries cannot achieve. We have talent, we have the culture, and we have all the peoples of the world. And if we can come together and work in partnership, what would we not achieve?
L-ilim mill-laqat tradizzjonali ċokin f'pajjiżna kellha sinifikat importanti hekk kif laqa speċjali dwar it-tibdil fil-klima attendew ukoll il-President Franċiż François Hollande u s-Segretarju Ġenerali tan-Nazzjonijiet Magħquda Ban Ki-moon. Dan jinbiss qabel ma f'Pariġi jiltaqgħu aktar minn 150 kap ta' gvern għal 21 summit tan-Nazzjonijiet Magħquda dwar it-tibdil fil-klima. Mistoqsija dwar is-sinifikat tal-laqgħa f'pajjiżna, Patricia Scotland iddeskriviet it-taħdidiet bħala kruċjali hekk kif joffru l-aħħar sforz politiku qabel is-summit f'Pariġi.
It is absolutely critical. As you know, I was born on the beautiful but endangered island, I feel now, of Dominica. There is a huge opportunity for us to look at how we better protect small island states who are vulnerable to climate change. People are always talking about the existential threat as if it's something out there that will happen at some time in the future. For small island states, that time is now.
Fuq kollox is-Segretarju Ġenerali elett faħret il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat tal-inizjattiva u l-ambizzjoni biex il-Commonwealth tibqa' verament relevanti u effettiva fid-dinja tal-lum.
Malta has given us a great start. The Prime Minister and Her Majesty got it absolutely right. So I look forward with huge anticipation to the Commonwealth changing our world.